guys, let's make chicken pepper soup. So we're making chicken pepper soup and white rice. So this is my chicken. What I kept on top is the gizzard. So that's my pepper mix, garlic, onions, fresh pepper. So after I was done blending, I added it into my chicken. I added my Benny chicken powder or Benny chicken spice and my seasoning powder, of course. So I started mixing to make sure that everything is in order, like everything is giving. You know, now you should understand what I mean when I start mixing like this, of course. So I would allow this to marinate for about 40 minutes. You guys are making the best chicken pepper soup you can ever see or you can ever taste. I'm sorry that you cannot taste this. It's not my fault. But yeah, this is the best pepper soup, chicken pepper soup you have ever seen. This is the best. So you guys, I was cooking my white rice in between. That's my white rice. So after I was done marinating for about 40 minutes, I will just go ahead and cook. So this is how it's going so far. It's cooking right now. So I started mixing again to make sure that everything is in order. I hope I'm not too, my voice is not, I hope I'm not too fast the way I'm speaking. So yeah, I started mixing again. So I would just add a little water and allow this to cook again. So I added vegetable oil. Yeah, so I added vegetable oil and I'll cover this and allow it to cook. So after some minutes, I came back, I checked, I added more water and curry powder and more seasoning cubes. So this is how everything is going. You guys, I added scent leaf and my phone did not capture when I added the scent leaf. I did not know what happened, but I shall know that I didn't capture. So I have to recapture after I put the scent leaf already. I'm so sorry about that. It's not my fault. It's the fault of the phone. So you guys, after I was done putting one or two together, this is how everything I have put together is looking like. My white rice and chicken pepper soup is ready. You guys, thank you for watching, and I don't know why you don't like commenting on my videos. Comment on my videos, drop your opinion, like my videos. At least I'm not asking you to share. Please, you guys, help your sister. Once I come your way next time, you guys, bye. I just put this on so that people will eat. The camera people, sorry, the people, let my viewers eat. After people are done eating, I'll just gonna reduce this kind of plenty food and the meat is too much. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.